When you think of being attractive, what's the first image that pops in your head? A shredded physique? A perfect jawline? Or maybe that guy who somehow looks flawless in every photo? We've all been told attraction is about how you look. But here's the truth. It's not. You can spend hours in the gym, buy expensive clothes, and still come off as average. Because attraction isn't built in your genetics. It's built in your habits. So in this video, I'm breaking down 4 simple things every man can do to become instantly more appealing. No fancy products, no unrealistic routines, just real changes that actually make people notice you. You can't look attractive if you look like you just rolled out of bed. Hygiene sounds basic, but it's the difference between looking put together and looking careless. Shower every single day, especially if you sweat a lot. Your scent tells people more about you than your words ever will. Clean behind your ears, your neck, under your arms, and your feet. Those are the hot spots. Take care of your hair. Whatever style you've got, keep it clean, trimmed, and intentional. And your breath? That's non-negotiable. Brush twice daily, floss, and keep mints with you. Because the truth is, no one remembers the guy who smells like cologne, but everyone remembers the guy who smells bad. Clean skin, fresh breath, neat hair. That's your foundation. Everything else builds on top of that. You don't need luxury brands to look good. You just need to understand fit and simplicity. Wear clothes that match your frame. Not too tight, not too loose. Choose neutral colors. Black, gray, white, beige, navy. They make you look effortless, not like you're trying too hard. Invest in timeless basics. A plain white tee, a well-fitted pair of jeans, and clean sneakers. And your shoes? Always keep them spotless. They say more about you than you think. When you dress with intention, your body language changes. You stand taller. You walk with purpose. And that silent confidence? That's what people find attractive. Let's talk about something that's invisible but unforgettable. Your scent. Deodorant is not optional. And if you want to go one step further, get yourself a signature cologne. Something light, masculine, and clean. Don't overdo it. 2 sprays, neck and wrists, that's it. Your goal is to smell inviting, not overwhelming. And never wear yesterday's shirt just because it looks clean. Always wear fresh clothes. And that small detail alone can change how they feel around you. Looks can catch attention, but your presence, your voice, your tone, your words, that's what holds it. Speak with clarity. Slow down when you talk. Maintain eye contact. Stand straight. Smile genuinely. Be curious about people. Ask questions, actually listen. Because nothing makes you more magnetic than making others feel heard. Your posture, your tone, your body language, they all broadcast confidence. And confidence isn't loud. It's calm, composed, and grounded. You don't need to be a smooth talker to be attractive. You just need to be real. And people will feel that. Here's the truth. Being attractive has nothing to do with perfection. It's about being put together. Smell clean, dress sharp, speak clearly, carry yourself like a man who respects himself. Because attraction isn't built in your face or your physique, it's built in your energy, effort, and presence. Start with these 4 basics, and you'll stand out. Not because you're trying to, but because most guys don't. So take this as your sign to upgrade your presence, not for validation, not for attention, but for yourself. That's what real attractiveness is.